Sketch the graph of the function sin x in the interval minus pi comma pi. So minus pi to plus pi. So next middle value is pi by 2. Next 0. Next pi by 2. So y function, that is, let y equal to sin x. Substitute the x values. Sin minus pi. Sin n pi also 0. 0. 0. Sin pi by 2. Negative pi by 2. Minus. So minus 1. Sin 0, 0. Sin pi by 2 and 90. Sin 91. Did you understand, ma? So 0, pi by 2, pi. Minus pi by 2, minus pi. This is x-axis, y-axis. So please observe in the diagram, minus pi comma 0. Minus pi comma 0, the point lie on x-axis only. Minus pi by 2, minus 1. Minus 1. This is the one. Minus pi by 2 comma minus 1. Next pi by 2 comma positive 1. Next pi comma 0. The point lie on x. Join these lines. So join them. Next 0 comma 0. Next pi by 2 comma 1. This is the sine curve. Right now. Scale. On x-axis, 1 centimeter equal to pi by 2. On y-axis, 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Trigonometric ratio of compound angles. Ratios of compound angles. So every formula is most important. So sum or difference, two or more angles are called compound angles. So what is the definition? Sum or difference two or more angles are called compound angles. So sine of a plus b is a compound angle. A plus b. Okay. Sum of two angles. Cos of a minus b. Sine of a minus b. Okay. And so on. Tan of a plus b. Cot of a minus b. And so on. Are called trigonometric ratios of compound angles. So very important formula. Okay. The first formula, sine of a plus b is equal sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sine of a plus b is equal sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So how to taking the terms sine cos sin. And second one, sine of a minus b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b minus cos a cos b. Right? A plus b is equal cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So plus opposite minus b. Cos of a minus b. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Sin a sin b. Next. So very important. Tan of a plus b. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Tan of a minus b. Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Next. Cot of a plus b. So simply observe cot b right first. Cot b cot a minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. Cot of a minus b. A minus b. Cot e, cot b minus, sorry, cot b cot a plus 1 by cot b minus cot a. Okay. So please observe cot of a plus b is equal cot b cot a. Cot b cot a minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. As usually, cot of a minus b is equal cot b cot a plus 1 by cot b minus cot a. Okay. So, ఇంకో formula. So tan of pi by 4 plus theta. That means 45 plus theta is equal 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. Otherwise, another formula cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Next, tan of pi by 4 minus theta is equal 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta is equal cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, right. Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is equal to 2 sin a cos b. Sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b 2 cos a sin b. So cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is equal to 2 cos a cos b. Cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b is equal to 2 sin a sin b. Or another formula దీనికి cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b is equal minus 2 sin a sin b. Very, very important formula. Note down. 2 sin a cos b. Sin cos 2 sin a cos b is equal sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. 2 cos a sin b is equal sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. Next. Two cos a cos b is equal cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. And second one, very, very important, 2 sin a sin b cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Just follow this formula. Okay, right now. Multiplication. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b is equal sin square a minus sin square b. This is terms of in sin. You have write in terms of cos. How to write cos square b minus cos square a. Okay, into multiplication. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b is equal sin square a minus sin square b. ఇది sin లో మాత్రమే. సో cos కి వచ్చేసరికి cos square b minus cos square a. Okay, second one. Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b is equal. సో cos వచ్చేసరికి ఫార్ములా cos square a, ఒక 1 cos ఇంకోటి sin square b. Or another formula, cos square b minus sin square a. Sin square a. Okay, next formula. The maximum and minimum values of so very important, minimum values of a sin x plus b cos x plus c or respectively. So an equation is of the form a sin x plus b cos x plus c, the maximum value and minimum value. That is the formula. That is c plus or minus square root of a square plus b square. C plus or minus square root of a square plus b square. Right? Sin square a minus sin square b. Both sides. Tell me sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Sin of a plus b. Same. Next. In case, very important. Cos square a minus cos square b is equal minus, simply write, minus sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Next, cos square a minus sin square b is equal cos sin. What happened? Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. And another way, sin square a minus cos square b is equal, the formula is minus cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. The trigonometric values of 15 degree and 75 degree. Metric values of 15 degree and 75 degree. Please observe angle or ratio. No problem. 15 degree, 75 degree. That is the sine, cos, tan, cot. Okay. Sine 15 degree value root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Did you understood, ma? Sine 15 degree value. Sine 75 value root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Next, cos 15 degree value root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Cos 75 degree root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. tan 15 degree. That means sine by cos simply. So rationalizing చేస్తే √3 minus 1 by √3 plus 1 వస్తుంది. Sin theta by cos theta చేస్తాం. But rationalizing చేసుకుంటే ఆన్సర్ ఫైనల్లీ 2 minus √3 వస్తుంది. 2 minus √3, 2 plus √3. Same as usual. 2 plus √3, 2 minus √3. Okay. Next value. Tan 22.5 degree for next. Is equal √2 minus 1. ఇదే cot 67 degree కూడా ఇదే value. So actually how to read these problems ma? Just sign. So 15 degree, 75 degree. Again explain. Sin 15 degree simply √3 minus 1 by 2 √2. Sin 75 degree √3 plus 1 by 2 √2. Cos. So cos 15 degree √3 plus 1 by 2 √2. Cos 75 degree √3 minus 1 by 2 √2. Next tan sin by cos √3 minus 1 by √3 plus 1. So √3 minus 1 by √3 plus 1 rationalizing చేసుకుంటే వచ్చే ఆన్సర్. So simply 2 minus √3. 2 plus √3. So cot 2 plus √3. Cot 15 degree. Cot 15 degree 2 plus √3. Cot 75 degree 2 minus √3. So this is the value box.
So completed.
Okay ma? Next so tan 22.5 degree is equal √2 minus 1. Or also cot 75 degree also √2 minus 1. Trigonometric ratios of multiple angles. So if A comma B are any two angles, then two A comma 2B comma 3A comma 3B and so on. So multiple of A comma B any two angles, then 2A 2B 3A 3B are called multiple angles. And A by 2 of angles, A by 2 comma B by 2 and so on, or C by 2 are called submultiple angles. Submultiple angles. Okay, formulas. Okay, first one, very important. Both side రావాలి ఇక్కడ ఫార్ములాస్. Sin 2a is equal